Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at Hitster Bingo. And that's not your granny's bingo, as it says on the box. So we believe everything that's on the box. So you have to complete a line while listening to the biggest hits of all time. So let's check how it looks. So as you can see, there's this playing field, you got the little map, you got the disco ball, pretty cool. You got bingo cards with all kinds of colors. And you got like pens and stifts. Let's find out how it works and if it's fun. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is what's inside. It's all packaged pretty good, pretty efficiently. There's actually quite a playing field coming out. So you got like the board surrounding the disco ball. You got the bottom of the disco ball. You got one part of the disco ball. You have the other part of the disco ball with the batteries and the on button. Batteries not included. You got all kinds of bingo cards. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's also 6 erasable pens and loads of Hitster playing cards. And this is Adele. Okay, so this is the playing board. As you can see, there's a little light coming out and that's where the ball lands. You got multiple colors. You got this one and that means that you have to guess it by 3 years. You got this one, which means you have to guess the exact year. You got this one, which means the group or solo artist, basically who's performing the song. And now there's also other rules, but the other side actually has different rules. So this one is easier. So this one is 4 years from the release date. And this one is, for example, is it before or after the millennium? So how do you play? You spin the ball, the arrow points at the card you're gonna have to answer. And then you have 25 seconds to listen to the song and give an answer on your card. Turn the card around at the end of the 25 seconds because there's actually an alarm built inside. If you have the answer correct, you can cross it off on your bingo card. I'm going to show you a little bit of a demonstration. So we're going to spin. Well, it ended on the purple part and that's the decennium card. So you have to guess which decennium the song is. So what you do is you scan this song with your Hitster app on your phone. And then at the end, you have to guess if it's in the right decennium. How do you know if 25 seconds have passed? I actually didn't know this at first, but when the light stops, 25 seconds have stopped. So what decennium is this? We're going for the 20s. Well, let's check it out. What do you know? It's correct. I get a point, and then I cross this blue thing, and then when I actually have a line, I have won and am the king of Hitster. So, all in all, it's a pretty cool game. It's actually really cheap. I bought it on Black Friday for only 20 euros. It's really fun. We played it for hours the first time. Okay, so it's definitely a 5-star review. I had a lot of fun playing, had a lot of fun spinning, had a lot of fun guessing. It's really fun. Spend hours, and that's for only 20 euros, but the advisory price is a little bit higher. You can't go wrong. This is a 5-star product, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And of course, check you later.